When working with assemblies, you will sometimes see an exclamation mark beside one of the parts. This is an information telling you that the particular part has been changed since the last time the assembly was checked in. The version number is the number that is currently loaded in the memory and should be what you see on the screen. The referenced version number is the version number that the assembly was referring to the last time it was checked in. By checking the assembly out and in again, the exclamation mark disappears.